Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to export an Elementor section from one WordPress website and import that section in another Elementor website. So if I go here and now let me export this section, simply go and then click on Save as Template. And here we can give our template name, then click on Save button. So now we can export this template and then here save it. Then let's go in another website and click on this one folder, then templates, then click on upload and select the template. Then click on insert button and apply. Now here you can see section is